Hey everyone, Technomentary here with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download iOS 26 beta on your iPhone. Now, before even considering downloading and installing iOS 26 beta update, make sure if on your device you back up your phone if it's your main phone, and highly recommend you do this on a secondary device in case things don't go well and things can break, because this is a beta update. Now, if you're set with that, make sure you're connected to a Wi-Fi or cellular data, and then you're going to go into your setting. Again, make sure you're signed into Apple ID account here, and then all you're going to do is go to General, and then Software Update. And in order to get iOS 26 beta, you need to go to Beta Updates and click on this, and then select the beta update, which is going to be available right here as long as you're signed into an Apple account and you have a compatible device. So the compatible devices that are available iOS 26 beta, it's going to be your iPhone 11 or newer, or iPhone SE second generation or newer. Once you have that, you're going to go back and this page should refresh with iOS 26 beta, which you can click on update now and it will download and update it for you. If you don't see it right away, go back again and then click on software update. It should refresh this page as long as you have iOS 26 beta selected of the beta update. So that's how you can download iOS 26 beta. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone. We'll see you guys next time.